This video answers the question, are identity-based solutions an alternative to third-party cookies? Let's understand some of the identity-based solutions that can be alternatives to third-party cookies. Companies that build an own proprietary identity graph of their customers and prospects by linking user-level with device-level identifiers. The main advantage is that through user graphs, brands and publishers can activate audiences across different channels and touchpoints. However, it is hard to build, and if done wrongly, could accidentally compromise privacy. A data cleanroom is an encrypted, secure location where first-party data from multiple parties is anonymized, layered, and matched in a privacy-compliant way with the aggregated data from the cleanroom provider. It can extend the reach of own first-party data, but it is challenging to scale as it requires agreement with many publishers. Marketplaces like Google, Facebook, and Amazon offer personalized targeting based on their own proprietary identity graphs, as they can track consumers across devices when they are logged in. They provide a precise set of targeting opportunities based on location, time, behaviors, and interest. However, they do not share identification data and already generate an overproportionate amount of ad revenues compared to the time users spend with them. A universal ID graph is built on a single identifier that recognizes the user in the digital marketing ecosystem and allows the information associated with the user to be passed on to approved partners in the supply chain. They allow cross-channel and cross-platform identification. The main limitation of this solution is the scaling problem, as it requires an agreement between many publishers. As a result, universal ID graphs often provide only fragmented audiences and limited inventory.